Hi guys, my name is Dina and welcome to my channel, The Nail Hobbyist. Today, I will show you step by step how to do a no-lift nail fill. And this goes for any products, gel, polygel, acrylics, dips. So keep on watching. Deep side, but the sharp side of it. And I'm just gonna nip my bling right off. Sometimes they don't want to come off this way, so you have to file them off. But most of it is coming off for me. So I'm just gonna do nail by nail, removing my bling, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I nipped on my bling, and now I have the rough side. I don't use the carbide bits because I find that I'm just not there yet. So I'm just going to use the arbor band, and I'm going to use the coarse one. And I'm just going to use that like to remove products, and then I'm going to, and also like this, see that like I have a gem that didn't want to come out. The only problem with this is that if I get my cuticles, I will draw blood. But anyways, here it goes. When you want to remove, top to bottom, top to bottom. There. So then this way is better. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a better bit, and I'm gonna start working around my cuticles. So I'm gonna take the finest rubber band I have, and here I go. I'm not a very big fan of coarse files or arbor bands because I didn't have good experience with them. So now I'm just using, especially around the cuticles, you don't want to play with. See, the thing is that they're too pointy for typing, so that's why I'm bringing them down. So I'm just going to keep removing products, and I'll be right back. if I can clip my, if I can pinch the nail. Oh, what up? So I'm gonna put my gel pretty far because I don't want to catch it. And I'm gonna zoom. Oops, there you go. Okay, so I basically, oh, there we go, there we go. So, I forgot to prep and prime. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take this opportunity. Excuse the accent on opportunity. I'm gonna take this time to basically explain to you guys. I was talking to my best friend the other day, and she was saying like she doesn't use primer or prep, and she's wondering why her nails are lifting. So basically, here how it goes. So make sure you don't lift. Okay, you want to put a prep. Absolutely. If you don't have a prep, you can use acetone. You can also use acetone and a prep. But I'm going to use the prep, which is basically an alcohol base. It's going to remove any type of dust, organic residue, grease, oils from our skin, you know. That's what I mean by grease. Okay, so this is prep, meaning now I want to put just a tiny little bit of primer. Primer is extremely important. Primer will make, you know, so I have IBD primer. There you go. Okay. And you don't want to put too much of that stuff, you know what I mean? And you just want to put it where you see the natural nail, you know? And usually one dab is enough for your 4 fingers. So that's that. Now that I have my primer, I'm ready to do my nails. And I'm gonna start with a clear coat. So I'm just gonna use Builder Gel Clear from IBD. You can get this on Amazon. So I'm just gonna grab a tiny little bit. Just gonna grab a tiny little bit. So see, I'm just gonna scrape it. And doing the same exact thing. Okay, so there. So I think I like it. So I'm just gonna go and I'm just gonna flash cure that. Like probably 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And I am going to clean those cuticles really fast because this gel is relatively runny. Beginner, so I mean, I'd like to say that, oh, I've been doing this. No, because it takes a long time before you get to have all the products you need. And then I had lifting problems before I checked Susie's. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to be removing the sticky layer. Or should I just go right ahead and build the nail? I'm going to remove the sticky layer. Because here, for now, my thumb will be another story. So this is what you need if you want to be a serious gel builder as a hobbyist, or any other kind will do. It's just that you can even get some that are less runnier. So now I'm going to wipe the sticky residue. These are my nails. This is like the base of my nail. So I start with a thin coat of clear gel, extremely thin. And then I put a thin coat of gel. And then the same way I did with the clear one. After that, I'm going to cure that for a full curing time suggested, which is 1 minute. And then here they are. And after that, we're going to be watching part 2. So in part 2, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to have my nails ready to go, ready to do nail art on. So just to recap part 1, what we did was basically undress the nails, remove the bling or whatever. Then I filed off all the gel polish, all the gel itself. After that was all removed. I removed every single piece of white little chunky lifting that I could see, sorry. And then after that is I prepped my nail with some dehydrator. After that, I put the very important part, where is primer. Then I apply my thin layer of gel. Then, as you see now, the final step is just putting a layer of pink. Now, I can build my nail completely at this stage, but I chose not to. Reason being, I'm not sure if I'm gonna encapsulate, or if you prefer, inlay my nail art and put a clear coat, clear gel on top. So for now, this is the final result, final cure, and I'll see you guys in part 2. Bye-bye. Toodaloo.